Okay, it's time to finish up a mod that I had started before. If you saw the video, I put a different skid plate on the 2024 Tacoma. The first one that I had was this one from RCI Off-Road. Nothing wrong with it, great skid plate, just really heavy, which I guess is good and bad, made the install not so much fun. But the doorways on it, or the access panels, that for the oil filter, and then that little kind of semicircular thing right down there to get the oil out. Definitely too small. I didn't dig that. And since I'm doing my own oil changes, I wanted something bigger, which I got from Miller Cat. Happens they contacted me, I'm an affiliate of theirs, and they sent me one of their stainless steel skid plates for the front, which is absolutely wonderful, and also a cat shield to protect the catalytic converter. You'll see it all when we're under the truck because we're going to install these two pieces. Now, I said this is kind of a crazy mod, and it is. These came and they were aluminum, or they are, or not aluminum, stainless steel, and of course they were the color of stainless steel, which is like a silver color. So I thought, just for kicks, I'd go ahead and paint them red to match the truck and put them on the shield underneath. Now, this is the one right here for the oil filter. Nice and big, I can get my hand up there, I love that. And this one is for the area where the drain plug is for oil, which I now have a Fumato drain plug on there. If you're not familiar with that, I do have a video on the channel about it. Check it out. It just makes oil changes so much easier. And now that I have all this room in front of it under there, it's going to be even better. They go on with screws. Pretty simple. Takes I think this is a 4mm Allen wrench. And then the screws that came with it, I may actually paint these black. I'm not sure. I think that would look pretty cool. Although, I will say right off, you can see how the truck sits right now. All you can really see is kind of the lip of that skid plate. You don't really see a whole lot of it under the truck unless the truck is sitting at an angle or you're laying under the truck like we're going to be doing. So this really is just more of a fun little mod, I guess, to kind of personalize the truck. Of course, I did put the RobMotive sticker on here, and then I cleared the whole thing with spray, so it is protected as well. If any stones hit it or anything, I'm sure it's going to get nicked and marred up, but just something kind of fun to do. Let's go ahead and put it on. Okay, first things first, I am going to put some Loctite on here on each one of the screws just to make sure that, you know, they don't back out or anything crazy. I'm using some Loctite that was included with the kit, by the way, so they gave us this. Okay, you can see, hopefully, that I'm installing the screws, doing this one-handed. Definitely a challenge. Not too bad once you get the first one in. I have one more to go. Then we'll just tighten it down hand tight. Well, a little more than hand tight actually, with the Allen wrench. You notice the red color, obviously, of the cover. And I'm just going to kind of torque it down a little by hand, of course. Not using a tool for this, other than the Allen wrench in my hand. Again, I love that this gives me good full access to the oil filter, or oil plug, I should say. In my case, the Fumato drain plug, and that's it. That puts on the one in the back. Now we're going to do the fun one, the one in the front. Okay, the fun one, the decorated one, up here in the front. I say it's fun because, you know, it's the one that has the logo on it and all that good stuff. To me, that's fun. I don't know. Maybe you guys will think I'm a little nuts, and I probably am. Let's go ahead and get the other side on. Okay. Definitely easier to do with two hands, that's for sure. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I don't know. I think it's kind of cool. Definitely overkill for what it is, but it's okay. There. That's what it's going to look like. Now, go ahead and tighten it up. And there you have it. That is the look, if you will, that I was going for underneath the truck here. Give you guys a full shot. You can see it right there. I think it's pretty neat. Again, maybe a little corny, I don't know. But this is the skid plate, in case you didn't see it in the other video. You can see on down, beyond the skid plate down there, is the cat shield to protect the catalytic converter, really just for theft. But you can see with the panels under here, and I'll let you see on the sides, you can see it does have protection on the sides as well. It also protects components underneath the truck beyond just the catalytic converter back there, and of course up here in front with the shield with its side pieces. I call them wings. But it is a pretty comprehensive fit, and who knows, maybe now that I have a little smoother airflow under the truck, maybe I'll get better fuel economy. Who knows? Okay, there you have it, my strange little mod for the covers on the skid plate underneath the 2024 Tacoma. Again, disregarding the craziness of the mod, it does serve a purpose, obviously to protect everything underneath the truck in the form of the skid plate, as well as the catalytic converter with the cat shield. There will be a link down below if you want to check it out. I think they're fantastic. Anyway, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. I'd be curious to know. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.